Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer and YouTuber. I make all sorts of videos from product reviews to demos to how-tos to just me sat here talking to you guys about my experiences. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BOYA BY-PM700 USB microphone. Let's get into it. I've been using this microphone for the past couple of weeks on this very YouTube channel. You just didn't know it. So if you've seen any of my screen recording videos that I've done on the PC, this is the microphone that captured the audio for the voiceovers. So I thought it was about time I did a review on it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the things I like about it, the things I don't like about it, and I'm just going to give you a couple of audio samples. So the first thing I want to talk about is the build quality and the look. The look, I mean, it looks very similar to other microphones out there, let's just put it like that. But this microphone is significantly cheaper than those microphones. So when we get onto the audio test, you can be the judge. You can tell me whether you think that this microphone is good value. So this is now £69.99. It has just come down from £84.99, and the build quality is great. It's a full metal construction. Everything on here, except for these adjustment screws on the side, is made of metal. It feels solid. It's not going to move when you put it on the desk. Listen to that sound. Ready? Satisfying. It's really heavy duty. Like I said, all metal construction, and it does feel like quality to me. On the front of the microphone, you've got your hardware mute button, which is really handy if you're doing a live podcast or radio show. And then you've got your volume knob, which adjusts the volume going out to your headphones so you can monitor the audio directly. On the bottom of the mic, you have your micro USB and your headphone jack. And on the back of the microphone, you've got your gain adjustment and your pattern selection. So on the side of the box, it's got a really handy little diagram that tells you exactly when you should use each pattern. So the stereo pattern, pick up the sound from left and right side. It's ideal for capturing a realistic general sound. Omnidirectional pattern, pick up the sound equally from all directions, capturing a natural blend of voice and ambience with low sensitivity to wind and handling noise. Cardioid pattern, maximizes the rejection of sound coming from the sides and rear of the mic and can be used as a directional microphone to capture full, rich, natural sounding audio for a podcast, speech, dialogue, instrument, etc. And bidirectional, pick up sound at the front and rear of the microphone while sounds to the sides are not picked up. It fits for capturing instruments or recording an interview between two people. So what I've been using and what I imagine you would be using when you buy this microphone is the cardioid pattern, when you have the microphone directly in front of you and it's going to capture the sound just around here, so it's going to capture my voice cleanly. If I was doing an interview and I had someone sat across from me, then I would probably use the bidirectional pattern, but they're the only two that I would ever really use. So let's do an audio test. At the moment I'm using my Rode NTG1, which is just here out of shot, and I'm going to be switching to the BOYA right now. I need something to read. The box. Okay, so features, compatible with Mac and Windows computers. I have to say, when I plugged this into my Windows computer, it just worked. I didn't have to do anything, it was just up and running, no drivers to install, completely plug and play, and I've just tried it on my Mac and it's exactly the same. Really easy to use. It's got a triple capsule design. It's got stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional and bidirectional polar patterns, 16-bit 48 Hz resolution, muting function. So I'm just going to mute you with the hardware button. What did I say? Put it in the comment section below what you thought I said. Latency-free monitoring, like I said, you can plug headphones directly into the base of this microphone and you can hear your voice in real time. Love that feature. Durable all-metal construction and integrated USB cable. So what did you think of the audio quality? I have been quite impressed with this microphone so far, and if you're doing something like this where you are just sat at a desk with a microphone, then it could be the perfect solution. If you're a gamer, if you're a podcaster, then this could be the microphone for you. So what I'm going to do now is swap to the bidirectional pattern and see how well that works. So I'm just going to spin this microphone round, and now you shouldn't be able to hear me quite as well as you could before. So the sound is now being picked up from the left and the right, although it is the front and the back because I've spun it round, but you get the idea. So Chris, what do you think of the BOYA PM700? Yeah, it's not bad, is it? It kind of reminds me of... Yeah, I know what you mean. It reminds me of that too. But it's about half the price. Yeah, for the price, it's really good. It's a really strong, solid microphone. Yep, I agree. Everybody should buy the BOYA PM700. So there you go. We've gone through the features. We've done some audio testing. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and let me know if you pick one up. I think they're a bargain, and like I said, they've just gone on sale, so you can get an extra £15 off. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another episode, and I will see you again very soon.